Hey Dad, I'm working on a tractor here. Here's the piece I need. The motor still turns. Everything works up here. Up there. So this piece here is what I need. Where the spark plug goes in. As you can see, I've got the piece here. This piece here went out like that. Went out like that. And it's supposed to sit up in there. So I'm going to take this with me, park it at Papa's. Just got to find this. There's the hole. It's not supposed to be there. And everything still works, I'll show you. See? Turn this. Piston turns. I'm not going to do that much more. It might damage something inside. There's no grooves or anything, so that's good. Nothing in there. That I can see. So everything's still good. Hopefully I can get this thing running again. Thanks for watching.